China's 14th National Winter Games, the nation's first comprehensive winter sports event of the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics, will kick off in North China's Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region on Saturday night. More than 3,700 athletes nationwide will compete in 176 events, making this edition the largest and most extensive in the history of the National Winter Games. The Grand Sports Gala also inspired Inner Mongolia to make better use of its abundant ice and snow resources.
这是我们北京冬奥会以后国内举办了最大型的冬季项目运动会，冰雪运动的发展带动内蒙古的其他事业的发展，特别是旅游事业的发展、冰雪经济的发展，是一个非常好的契机，让大家更多的了解内蒙古。
Following the footprints of the Beijing Olympic Winter Games, the 14th National Winter Games will continue to fuel China's enthusiasm for winter sports. In recent years, China has engaged more than 300 million people in winter sports, and the ice and snow industry plays a vital role in boosting the country's economy this winter. By 2022, the number of winter sports venues nationwide had grown to more than 2,450. And the potential is still to be tapped, as China proposed that by the end of 2025, its total scale of winter sports industry will reach 1 trillion yuan.